All right, so we're going to run you through the store. We're going to see everybody that's participated, so at some point they'll be here with us. And so we're excited to show you. So you're inside the ropes now. All of the lights aren't on yet because we're technically about an hour from opening. But we wanted to show you. So Megan, come on in. So what we do, actually, let's go this way. So I want to show you, these are our sale racks. These sale items come from items that are a part of either the uniform program or the branded merchandise program within the on the online store that we operate for Grainger as well. So, and then some of these are pieces that we did last year, and then we moved those to the sale rack this year. And what's on the sale rack is everything that we have that either has, you know, we use this in a lot of ways for obsolescence. We use it in a lot of ways for you know, marking things down and freeing up space within programs. So this is a great way for us as we build this store every single year, as we do all their branded merchandise and we do all the uniforms. A lot of times there's obsolescence in programs, so these are great ways for us to be able to move that product out and create real strong inventory management. So as we get in, there's a lot of merchandise. You know, we have these rounders. So these are big rounders that we use. You know, we have our hanging mannequins here. You know, we dress these mannequins. We're always cleaning up as we're going because it really is a retail environment. A lot of the product in the particular space that it's in. So you can see here all the red T-shirts. We've also done this very much like a retail operation. And so what we do is, you know, we start with smalls and it goes all the way to bigs, so that everybody knows, you know, sizing wise, and it looks well from a merchandising standpoint is the best way. So, and it's easy to find things then because then we always know sort of where things are. And so as we go along, you'll see there's mostly men's and women's rounders. We've separated them by men's and women's. And as you get further into the store here, we've got women's on the right, men's on the left. We'll show you a little bit more about some of the complementing pieces that are here. So our headwear wall. Sorry, they say don't turn your back to the camera, right? Headwear wall. A lot of the merchandising that we do when it comes to the stores is not just looking at one piece, but how can we use multiple colors of the same piece and allow for some efficiencies that way, but merchandise it so that there's a lot of different options because different people like different colors, and we're always using different logos on things. So our team is over here getting ready for the show. I want to show you a couple hard goods that we played a role in putting in place for them, designing. These pieces, we've already had some people early this morning that were in here, but these are custom designed socks that were done with Grainger in mind. So it says Grainger here. This is Grainger Design, their design team. We worked with their design team to design these. So it's basically a 3-pack of socks. These are already going really quick. So we've got some hard goods. We typically, what we'll do is we'll put pens in packs. So this is about a $2 per item pen, but it's, since there's 3 in there, it gets marked to $6. And what we do in the store is, because we're in Orlando, because we're in Florida, we add tax in to the end sell price, so we don't have to charge tax. So the price that they see is the price that they pay. Let's see what else. We're always looking for hanger down. We're always looking for different ways to present different ideas. So these 2 different packs, they definitely wanted red and black within each one, but just to spice it up a little bit, we went with green and blue. These pens actually write the color of the actual pen. So this one writes green, this one writes blue, and vice and then this year we thought it'd be really cool to do some red and black Grainger Sharpies. So a lot of the team that's here are the Grainger. This is the national sales meeting for Grainger that happens every single year around this time in the beginning of March. And their sales teams come in, they bring their clients in, and so this store that will be open for 4 days again, it will be absolutely packed, and we will go through, again, we brought about $150,000 worth of product down here, and we'll go through about $120,000 to $125,000 worth of product. So it's a mad rush, but it comes off and it goes really well. So we're always looking to, from a merchandising standpoint, how do the pieces fit together? So when we start picking product and we start looking at product in the July timeframe, we're looking at the past couple years worth. This is, I think, our 5th year doing this for Grainger. So we tend to look at the sales history, the sales results, the price points that sell, the different styles that have sold, the logo applications, and how all that works together to build a store that continues to provide what the customer is looking for. And so that's pretty exciting, because looking at those numbers really do tell a story that allow us to run and operate an efficient program of this size, bringing all this merchandise down and barcoding. We literally barcode, as you'll see here. Every single product is barcoded. So this is a lesser expensive pen, and this is 3 pens for $2.50. You can see these are 2 Sharpies for $3, and these are 3 pens for $7.50. So there's some varying different price points. So what we do when we make discussions of hard goods, we have discussions around apparel, is always looking at different price points and how do we merchandise within those price points. And so the key there is to make